Hello students, today we are going to learn subtraction with borrowing. Now the problem is 532 minus 235. Firstly we will arrange the numbers according to their houses like ones, tens and hundreds. Now we are to take 5 from 2. We cannot take 5 from 2 because this is larger than this number. So 2 will borrow from 3 and 3 which is lies in tens place. This will give 1 10 to 2. So 10 plus 2 equal 12 ones. Now we can easily subtract 5 from 12 and 7 left. Here 3 already given 1 10 to 2. Here 2 left. Now we are to subtract 3 from 2 but we cannot. Again this is larger from this 2. So this 2 tens will borrow from hundreds and 5 lies in hundreds. So 5 will give 100 to 2 tens. Now 100 and 2 tens means 120 and we can say 12 tens. Now we can subtract 3 from 12. 9 left. Here the 4 left because this 5 already given 100 to this 2 tens. We can subtract 2 from 4 means 2 hundreds from 4 hundreds. Now 2 hundreds are left here. Let us understand subtraction with another example. The problem is 642 minus 573. We cannot subtract 3 from 2. So 2 will borrow from 4. Now this 4 will give 1 10 to 2 ones. 10 plus 2 equal 12 ones. Now we will subtract 3 from 12 and 9 left. Here in tens place 3 is left. And we are to subtract 7 from 3. Again this is larger. That's why this 3 will take or will borrow from 600s. Now 600s will give 100 to this 3 tens. So 100 and 3 tens means 30. 130 and we can say this is 13 tens. Now this is easy to subtract 7 from 13 and 6 left here. Here 5 hundreds are left and we will subtract 5 from 5. So 0 left. Now we can say each addition has 2 subtraction facts. Like 8 plus 6 equal 14 and 14 minus 8, this one number we will subtract and we get here the other number. Next subtraction fact is 14 minus 6 and we get 8 here. So when we subtract 2 addends from sum, then we will get one by one both addends. So these are subtraction facts.